Sorry, I don't mean to alarm you. If you ask me to stay, I would be charmed to. You all left a cozy little life. How do you survive? I kinda wish I knew, but you got a lovely little secret. You're tired of feeling awful small, so you give Mr. Alistair a call to make a deal. Because you're hungry for the dice, you wanna see them or play the lights. You feel you need them, your appetite, I'll help you feed them. Be a sweet lady or demon. What's your hunger has evaded? Don't forget your friend who waited. Watches you indulge your thirst. And did I mention that you're cursed? Pleasure to play how I enjoy you. Suffice to say when I play I don't lose. Collect on the depths that you accrue. You want such a gas. I really am on you. Haven't your thought I'm right beside you. A casual whisper just to guide you. Look over your shoulder and I'm gone. Remember this song?